Experience the new Ceragem V6. The new experience from your spine to toes. Ceragem V6. Step into a world of wellness and luxury. Auto start upon lying down. Intensive care along the spinal line. Concentrated massage at users' unique acupressure points. Also with intensive thermal massage up to 65 degrees Celsius. Experience it by comfortably lying down. Enjoy an uninterrupted, seamless massage designed for comfort and relax yourself completely. In V6, we are introducing you the new 3D motion internal projector. The length and curve of the spine are measured, and a customized massage that suits the body shape of each user is delivered. Air cell massagers help to relax your legs. The abdominal vibration projector. It also have 3-level massage speed settings, and you can select a massage that fits the body condition through 22 different modes, means 17 automatic modes, plus 5 custom modes to suit your body condition. You can select Ceragem sounds accordingly. Also, it have voice guidance to assist with product use. For easier folding and unfolding, we give you easy sliding feature. Your everyday answer to recharge. Ceragem V6.